Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Notes, a fun way to connect casually with your followers right in their DMs. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap the DM icon or the messenger icon in the top right corner. Then at top of the message list, you'll see a profile photo under Notes and tap the plus icon. Then here type your message, up to 60 characters. You can share updates, ask questions, or just say hi, how are you? And choose who can see it. It's either followers you follow back or your close friends. And after that, tap share, and your note will appear at the top of your friends' inboxes for 24 hours. People can reply to your note via DM, which makes it perfect for starting conversations. And that's how you use Instagram Notes to stay connected and spark engagement. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more quick Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching!